It's a A, fuck you, bitch ass, pussy ass nigga, ugly ass nigga, dark ass nigga, black ass nigga, bitch ass nigga, orphan ass nigga, thought ass mom having ass nigga, STD having ass
that's
nigga,
what I've been
walking
waiting
STD
for.
ass
That's what it's all
nigga,
about.
fake Dior wearing ass nigga, fake ass clothes wearing ass nigga, broke ass nigga.
What up, niggers? I'm fucked up. I'm gonna let you know that right now. Yeah, we went on a walk. But look at this shit we got right here. We got all this. We got this good shit. Yeah.
Is this nigga serious?
I am a pedophile.
We went hunting. I went hunting for this in the Wild West. I'm gonna be cooking some steak.
Huh?
And some fucking cabbage. I don't know where the cheese comes in, but the cheese is gonna come from somewhere. So it's okay. Oh yeah. Which way is
Stop. Up. Go up.
Go up?
I'm glad I picked cameras in the hallway. I'm thinking this guy homeless about to eat the pizza. Look what this dirty fuck do. Wipe his fucking ass with the pizza. Look how much dookie is on the pizza. Look at that dookie. That shit just nasty. And you get another piece.
Alright, you need something to like cook or something. You need like napkins. Time check.
Get that right here. Bear counter with cutting board.
No, we got a box. But why would you cut? You don't cut this right now. You just
No, I'm just saying.
put it on the heavy box. Put it on the bomb, and you can season it on top of the bomb.
On top of the barn.
The bomb. C4. So, now you're good to go.
Okay. Alright, niggas. You know I'm black. You know how we season my face. No. So what you do is
You don't need that. Don't. There's shit in there. It's already open. You're good. Oh yeah.
you have to like shit.
Just gotta grab that mere meat.
Why is it diaper? Why is it diaper? Alright. So just
The shit ain't open. Nailing it. It's gonna be like a Dalmatian ass
you gotta
steak.
sign that bitch in. Like imagine, yeah. Imagine you're with a bitch, right? This is the lotion. You're like, let you feel the motion.
Shit moist.
Oh yeah, that shit wet as fuck.
Oh yeah.
You need to get both sides. You need to do the long way.
Peanut butter jelly the long way. Peanut butter jelly the long way.
Y'all need to get the sides and shit. Like y'all don't get the sides, y'all.
Yeah, hella seasons.
Like if you don't get the sides, you're fucked up, and I don't like. You can't eat at anybody's house, yo. You can't eat at anybody's house. Remember that. Remember that. You can't eat at anybody's house. You eat at anybody's house, you a gremlin. Fucked up. You fucked up. And I don't want to be around you. I wouldn't be around any of you, yo.
Fucking grind.
It's hard to survive, 'cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my
Fuck it, fuck all of it.
You're already drunk.
Is it pedophilia if you are
Scared of black people. Really scared of them. I need to sneeze. I feel it coming. Get that shit out of my face.
Sneeze scale.
That's the crazy camera. You don't fucking keep it. If I sneeze, you guys are gonna get every bit of it.
Snorting and shit too. Behind the scenes, y'all don't even know.
Make that shit dark. Give that bitch melanin. Pretend like you're God, you know? Pretend like you're God and you're making a nigga with melanin. You need to add a shit ton of boy. I love how I said if you don't add seasoning to the sides, you're a bitch ass nigga. Nobody should cook your shit. Nobody should eat your shit, but I'm not seasoning the sides. I'm too drunk for that. I need a napkin. Give it to the non-me hand. Hey, chat. How you doing? I love you.
And every time we kiss, I swear I could fly.
Give it back. Okay. If you didn't know, your Unc Magus gets a runny nose. High, drunk, anything, I get overhydrated.
Yeah, your eyes running too. Damn near balling.
That's how you know your Unc Magus is a gangster, okay? Get overhydrated, you just fucking your shit up. Gang, don't zoom it out, though. That's not ready yet.
It's not ready yet.
Oh wait, I didn't even showcase the season. Okay. God, paprika, smoke time, smoke edition. No. When you're American, this motherfucker goes in clutch. You wait in the mood to see this shit that much.
This is that butter that don't melt. Motherfucker been out.
It don't melt?
That motherfucker been out all day. Shit's stiffer than a mug, so. Motherfuckers don't melt.
We just need to put that shit on the 1,000 degree knife. It will.
We just throw that bitch in there, it'll melt at some point. Don't. Oh, shit.
Alright.
Back to the stage.
Did I add this yet? Or did I even add this?
Man, you didn't even tell us about that one.
Auntie Fee, I'm sorry.
This guy in here dropped the turkey.
Don't trust me to make your fucking Thanksgiving dinner. This shit was supposed to go in the oil. I'm retarded.
That's just some lawn clippings.
Clippy.
Alright, what's next? You damn.
Bubbling. Oh, that's a. Oh, okay. I thought that was the fucking pit of doom. My thing is, I got taste distortion, you know? So, in my opinion, I cannot taste the meat under any circumstance, so that's why I overseas my shit. So, if you're the type of dickhead that's like, yeah, Magus, you overseas that shit. Shut the fuck up. I hope you fucking die, okay? Kill your
Editor Magus here. We didn't get the recording of me cooking the cabbage. There's no cabbage footage. You're not seeing the fucking cabbage!
Yeah, you like that, don't you? You fucking perverted. I hate you viewers. You all viewers and you all suck at it.
Most replayed.
Oh, fuck, my damn.
That's that.
Where do I put this?
That motherfucker back in here.
Alright, you guys ready for that verse? You can leave the nicest comment. The thing I'm thinking about when I read that shit is, I hope you go fuck yourself. That's not true. I love all of you. That's weird. I don't do it in last time. Okay.
It don't even matter. It's all going.
This is gonna taste the fucking same anyway. Gotta let him know, like, you feeling romantic right now? Just. Just a little bit more. Fucking. Stop showing the brie cheese. You're making. They're distracted, motherfuckers. They're retarded. You gotta remember
You're
that.
gonna add in
Put
both
the
steak
camera-
seasonings? You already got one.
We got a new cameraman. It's not me doing this time. I gotta teach him the route to you niggas. You. Okay, so you want to season the sides. Like I said last time, you need to season the sides. You don't
Missing.
stop.
Damn.
Is that even coming out? Fuck.
You got some over there.
Fine, come out, you bitch. Did I season the sides? Yes, I did. It's a blessing Uncle Magus could still see. Uncle Magus should have been not allowed to see from the beginning with all the shit I've done. Okay, that's bad. I don't know. Most of you guys are pieces of shit. That's a lot. Okay. Just, bro.
So the seasoning you got on the side. Damn, you miss everything on there.
Okay, did I add this?
Don't even. You could. If you don't remember, don't do it.
Yeah. Like it's your fucking prostitute that you pay off every month.
Cook the damn food.
She's relying on you to pay her bills. And you only pay her once every 5 months.
I feed you.
No shit, you feed me. Guys, look at this. You there. Just massage that shit. Massage. Why would you do this game store? Why?
Abortion ass nigga, dirty ass nigga, bum ass nigga, black ass nigga, ugly ass nigga, dumb.
We need that to heat up. Like, we need all that water in there. Get the fuck out. Tell her to get the fuck out of the chat, yo. I know that we're gonna stream, but it's still a chat in my eyes, so I expect you guys to act accordingly. We gotta wash our hands, by the way, chat. That's if you don't wash your hands, just know you're a fuck ass nigga and nobody likes you. Okay? You can't eat at anybody's house. Remember that. I'm gonna tell you guys a little story. Let me turn off the. I was at someone's house, right? This person took a shit, right? Shit dangling from the toilet. Shit dangling from the toilet seat into the toilet bowl. Shit everywhere. You don't want to eat at everybody's house. Don't eat at everybody. Do an active FBI search on the house till you eat. Okay?
Go for it.
Alright, dickheads. We got the garlic butter. We put that shit all up in there. Yeah, get that cinematic shit out of that. Yeah.
You want me to turn my light?
What, like?
More light?
Yeah, give me all the light. Yeah, you guys are seeing me barefaced for the first time. You niggas say I'm ugly. I fucking dare one of you bitches.
Turning.
Right.
Turning. Gotta throw that in there.
You gotta do all that, you know? Put that on it.
Shit burning like motherfucker.
That shit, yeah. We need to put a steak in now. Throw a steak in. You know what? Yeah. Look at this shit. We need a little bit more butter. I'm gonna keep it on. I like my.
Got steak in there, bro.
Stop trolling. Stop trolling.
It's burning. It's like ashes or something to cook. Going slow.
We got the first steak in. So what you want to do is, your name is, if you're meat, you don't like the oil touching you one bit, so you just give me it, nigga.
No, you don't flip that hoe already.
I gotta see.
You gotta mix that shit all in the oil because that shit's burning. You went all.
You gotta do this. You gotta do it the circle way.
No first time I fuck it on that side.
Chat, shut the fuck up. I know I'm getting assistance with cooking, but shut up. Like, get a close up. Get a nice little close up on that bitch. And I'm gonna keep it hot, Chad. I do moan over food. I love food. There's a hidden video of me. The cameraman gotta take the shit from me. I'm sorry, guys. Why am I bleeding?
God,
Chad, what the fuck did I do?
what the fuck? Why the fuck you do this shit?
Chad, how am I bleeding? No, but shit, what the fuck?
Don't wipe your hand.
I see nothing.
That's when you slammed your shit with the rosemary on the
Don't, Chad, put the camera on. Chad, this should go to show that I'm a professional, I'm ready for this shit. That doesn't mean you are. So don't attempt this unless if you're under supervision, blah, blah, blah. I know you're underage, you little shit. I can't stop you, but I can make you stay safe. So shut the fuck up, don't do this, blah, blah, blah. Okay, continue. Anyway. Look at that sexy ass shit. You like the steak fully cooked or halfway?
Like, medium.
I like it. I like it. I like it. Chet, you think this shit's easy? Look at my fucking finger. I want you to cut it. Fuck it, I'll record it. I
don't know.
Alright. That's pussy pink. Pussy pink. Yeah, Chad, I fucked it up. Fuck all of you. I hate all of you.
Okay.
I'm sorry about that. My cameraman need to let it enjoy. So. I don't know how you like your steak personally, but however you like it, you make it that way. I don't want to hear, can I do this? Can I do that? Fuck you. Make it how you like it. I like my steak to have a little crust on the bitch, you know, a little crisp, maybe, a little sand, you know, like think of it as you're making a steak for your bitch. You want to impress her, right? Unless you don't care for the bitch, you're paying for her. So I mean, it goes either way. Give that bitch a microwave dinner. I don't care. Take this as a thank you for 150 subs. Yeah. I didn't expect to make it to 150 subs. I didn't think anybody would give a shit. But thanks. It means a lot. I do hate all of you niggas, but just know I will still slide for you guys. I like how they did Vaughn.
They didn't slide for Vaughn.
They never slid for Vaughn. Police did me once. Everything's disgusting. Red alert. I'm a dangerous. I do not want to be.
I'm editing this shit.
No, I'm editing it. Alright. Look at what this man is. Oh! Why are you holding it like that?
Where do I put it? Fuck, this is hot. Steak on
Fucked up, bro. Always come for fucked up solutions. Ice skating on the grease. He's skiing on a hard top. Ain't no snow on that beach.
So we finished cooking the steak and cabbage and we went to eat it. We thought we did a pretty good job. So yeah, we did great even though we were shit-faced. So yeah, bye, nigga.